It's final mga guys. Andito na si Catriona Gray. She will be attending the finals night of Miss Universe Philippines 2022. And ang daming excited sa kanyang pagdating. It's because she will be reuniting with the previous winners and the incumbent winner of Miss Universe. Hi everybody! Right now, yung Miss Universe stage looks like this. So, this is the partial na nagawa ng Miss Universe stage. So, if you could observe this stage, it is somewhat larger. Obviously, larger talaga. It's because it will be held at the SM MOA Arena in Pasay City. So, this particular venue is really very crucial sa pagpapalaganap ng Miss Universe Philippines 2022. Why? After 2 years since pandemic began, ngayon lang ulit magkakaroon ng big venue ang Miss Universe Philippines. And if I'm not mistaken, this will be the first time na mag-held sila sa SM MOA Arena. And this is also the place where Miss Universe 2016 took place, wherein si Iris Mittener won from France. And now, ang mga andito na Miss Universe queens are Catriona Gray, of course, Harnas Sandu, the current Miss Universe, andyan si Demilay Peters, and if I'm not mistaken din, si Pia Wurtzbach. So, ayan, apat na Miss Universe winners ang present sa Miss Universe Philippines 2022. Before anything else, for more pageant updates, especially sa mga favorite nyong mga front runners, and si Herlene Budol, all about sa Miss Universe Philippines, Binibining Pilipinas, Miss Universe, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Story of Anthony Vlogs, and of course my other channel, The Story of Anthony, for more updates. So, subscribe, you can also share, you can also like, and let us all spread the good vibes. So, let us now return to the main topic. So, correction pala. So, bibilangin ulit natin. Pia Wurtzbach, tapos andyan si Iris Mittener, and andyan si Demilay Peters, and andyan si Pia Wurtzbach, and of course, yung current Miss Universe winner na si Harnas Sandu from India. So, what's exciting about this is that Catriona Gray is really present. So, nagpakita siya, and she is wearing yung pink, yung pink dress, because yan yung parang related sa sinabi niya regarding sa kanyang chosen leader. But anyway, ang daming masaya because present si Catriona, pinagbigyan niya talaga yung hiling, yung invitation ni Shamsi Supsup and the rest of Miss Universe Philippines organization na sana mag-attend siya sa very first na big event ng Miss Universe Philippines 2022. So, what will we expect, or anong yung pwede natin ma-expect sa big event na to tomorrow on April 30, 2022? This will be generating a huge volume of crowd. So, first time talaga to, and it is really the best time kasi nasa alert level 1 status ang Metro Manila. So, pinapayagan na yung mga crowds sa ganyan. So, ang mangyayari is yung crowd will be having the chance na panoorin yung kanilang mga bets from different provinces all over the Philippines. And I hope na talagang yung napili nilang candidate will win. So, let's now proceed sa ating nabanggit ko na top 5 ko. So, I'm going to mention yung pinaka-first, si Celeste Cortesi. She is by far the girl to beat. So, kung makikita mo sa mga predictions ng mga pageant vloggers, yung mga pageant enthusiasts, na siya ang the best girl. Why? Because she has the glamorous look, classy look, and then ang ganda, ang swabe ng kanyang rampa. Tapos, makita mo na silent slayer siya. And that's why she is the chosen na the girl to beat than the other candidates in this competition. It's because she prepared this pageant for almost 3 years. If I'm not mistaken, 3 years siya nag-prepare and now she is ready. And nafe-feel nila na meron siyang similarity sa vibe ni Catriona Gray. But then, parang silent but ganun kalakas yung vibe niya. And then, yung sa first runner-up or Miss of Universe Philippines Tourism will be from Makati, si Michelle D. Ganun din siya. Very professional, very rampadora yung eksena niya. And eloquent din yung Q&A niya. And nakikita natin na sanay talaga siya sa public speaking. So, nasa kanya din ang lahat. Palaban din siya. And I think she is really the pinaka-strongest rival ni Celeste Cortese because overall package din si Michelle D. Yung pang third naman is kay Bohol. Nag-level up si Bohol. It's because alam natin na yung preliminary interview is really the largest. It has the largest percentage ng criteria. So, 60% siya and then yung swimsuit tapos gown is 20% each. And dun siya bumawi sa Q&A si Bohol. And yung pang fourth naman para for me is si Miss Taguig. So, si Katrina Legado. Ibang-iba din yung vibe niya. Tapos, lately, nagkaroon siya ng channeling. Na-channel niya si Gloria Diaz, si Margie Moran, si Pia Wurtzbach, and then si Catriona Gray. So, bagay na bagay sa kanya lahat ng get up. She has a versatile look. She has a versatile na aura. She can maximize yung mga different kinds of styling that makes her very, very competitive. Tapos, ang galing din niya sa rampahan. And sa fifth ko naman is Julia Sauvier. So, she is a girl from Albay na who is also aspiring to be the potential winner of this competition. And ang pinaka-edge sa kanya is all about her wit. So, napaka-smart ng kanyang answer. She knows how to choose words wisely, smartly. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagkaka-deliver ng mga answers. So, whenever candid questions will confront her, she know how to play her cards well. Especially na aware siya na yung Q&A has the highest bulk ng criteria in order for a candidate to win Miss Universe. So watch out for Julia Sauvier, especially kapag nakapasok siya sa top 5 because it's all about brain. Ayun. So yun yung top 5 ko, list of top 5 in this competition. And yes, I'm going to repeat my bubbling up ladies, yung girl from Baguio, Pangasinan, Palawan, Cebu, and Misamis Oriental. And ang na-feel ko na malakas ang vibe is si Misamis Oriental, Cebu, Baguio, ayun. So, I think they can replace yung mga top 5 natin. So, let's see what happens sa finals night. And I'm wishing all ladies good luck sa Miss Universe Philippines 2022. And I'm going to give another update regarding sa mga ways kung paano nanalo ang isang candidates in order for us to understand how they manage to win the crown. And yes, I'll be watching the Miss Universe even though I'm far away sa Manila. So may technology naman, I can still watch the pageant through online. So maghahanap lang ako ng mga available social media live stream na pwedeng mag-display ng live show. So, yun ladies and gentlemen, I hope na successful ang event na ito. And I do hope na manalo yung bet ko na top 5. O, diba? So, one of the top 5, at least isa sa kanila ang manalo. And there it is, my own top 5 for Miss Universe Philippines 2022 once again.